Hello guys! Today I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and I'm going to show you how to fix weak signal. So as you can see, here we are now right on the desktop. The first thing you need to do is to open the settings. Here, open the connections. Toggle the airplane mode on and wait 30 seconds. Here now, once we have it enabled, everything is enabled, like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile network, everything which is actually recommended for flights. After this, toggle it back off. After this 30 seconds, toggle it back off. Now every single connection is refreshed and you should get a nice fresh signal. If it doesn't work still, you need to move to an area with better coverage. Once you move to an area with better coverage, everything should be working nice and faster because of the 4G and 5G networks and transmitters. So, when it comes to this, as I said, networks like 5G and 4G, you need to enter here mobile networks and here network mode. You need to try switching between these two, like from 5G to LTE or from LTE to 5G. This may fix coverage issues. If it doesn't work for you still and you still get very bad signal, you need to go back here and scroll all the way down. Here, open General Management, tap here Reset, and of course here Reset Network Settings. You need to confirm that by tapping this blue button, Reset Settings, and after that everything should be working fine. If it doesn't work fine after that, you need to scroll down in the main screen of settings to the software update. Here, tap download and install any update you've got here. If it doesn't work after the update, you need to contact carrier to check for any outages. That's it, bye!